Hey, high levelers. Rayo Daniel here, and this is really just a sincere video that I wanted to say thank you so much for hanging there with me in 2024. This has been a really great year for me, for my channel. I've helped thousands of people out. I get so many different comments on my videos about how this is exactly what I was looking for. Man, I really wish I would have found you earlier and just, you're my go-to, or I'm binging all of your videos. Man, I tell you what, I absolutely love it when you guys do that. I love the fact that you guys find the videos informative. As more than that, I'm looking to implement even more videos in 2025, a lot more value. What I'm looking to do is implement even more lives where I can interact with you in real time, be able to answer questions and things like that. This is going to result ultimately in I want to deliver a little bit more value than just I can from just delivering videos on my YouTube channel. So I'm looking at implementing a membership program through the YouTube channel here where you can join and actually interact with members can interact with me live, and I can help you in real time on some of the videos that we're doing here, help you out and uncover some issues and things like that you're working on. Just take a look if that's going to be coming out in January 2025. I'm really excited about that to be able to help you guys out, answer questions from the videos and things like that. But other than all of that, I really just want to say happy holidays to everybody watching. Thanks so much for viewing my videos. And today I'm actually taking a break to the end of the year, so I'm not going to be publishing any more videos. I just want to be able to sit back and enjoy the holidays, and I hope you do too. Have a great day, and again, happy holidays.